So let's find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we will start with the function cosine 5 pi over 8 and we'll try to simplify this value. So cosine of 5 pi over 8, this can be also expressed as cosine of the angle pi minus 3 pi over 8. So pi minus 3 pi over 8, that's equivalent to 5 pi over 8. But the moment we write in this fashion, we can use the fact that cosine of angle pi minus theta, that is equivalent to negative cosine theta, which means that cosine of pi minus 3 pi over 8 will become equals to negative cosine 3 pi over 8. And on the left hand side, we have cosine of 5 pi over 8, which tells us that cosine 5 pi over 8, this value is exactly the same as negative cosine 3 pi over 8. Similarly, we can express cosine of 7 pi over 8 as cosine of angle pi minus pi over 8. Now cosine pi over pi minus 8 will become negative cosine pi over 8, which means that the value of cosine 7 pi over 8 will be equivalent to negative cosine pi over 8. So now we will start with the given expression. So here we have 1 added to cosine of pi over 8. This is multiplied to 1 plus cosine of 3 pi over 8. Now we have 1 plus cosine of 5 pi over 8, but we can replace cosine of 5 pi over 8 with negative cosine 3 pi over 8. So we get 1 minus cosine of 3 pi over 8 multiplied to 1 plus cosine of 7 pi over 8, but we can replace cosine 7 pi over 8 with negative cosine pi over 8. Fine. Now we have 1 plus cosine pi over 8 multiplied with 1 minus cosine pi over 8. So that's nothing but the difference of two squares, where 1 minus cosine squared pi over 8. Then we have 1 plus cosine 3 pi over 8 multiplied to 1 minus cosine 3 pi over 8. So that will be the difference of two squares. We have 1 minus cosine squared 3 pi over 8. Now we can further simplify cosine squared 3 pi over 8. So let's start with cosine 3 pi over 8. So cosine of 3 pi over 8, this can be expressed as cosine of the angle 4 pi minus pi divided by 8, such that we get cosine of 4 pi over 8, so that will become pi over 2 minus pi over 8. Now cosine pi over 2 minus pi over 8, that's actually the sine function. We have sine pi over 8. So here we have used the fact that if we have cosine of pi over 2 minus some angle phi, that thus becomes equivalent to sine of the angle phi. This is what we have used here. In other words, we can say that cosine 3 pi over 8, that's exactly the same as sine pi over 8, or we can square it, square both sides to get cosine squared 3 pi over 8 equals sine squared pi over 8. So our expression will now become that we have 1 minus cosine squared pi over 8. This is multiplied to 1 minus cosine squared 3 pi over 8, but we can replace cosine 3 pi over 8 sine pi over 8 to get sine squared pi over 8. Fine. Now we will use the standard identity that sine squared theta added to cosine squared theta equals to 1, which means that 1 minus cosine squared pi over 8, this is going to transform to sine squared pi over 8. And we have 1 minus sine squared pi over 8, so that will transform to cosine squared pi over 8, which will be, now we can rewrite it as sine pi over 8 times cosine of pi over 8 whole squared. So let's do one thing. Inside the parentheses, we're going to multiply and divide by 2, such that we get half times 2 times sine pi over 8 times cosine pi over 8 whole squared. The reason why we are writing in this particular fashion, because we will be using the identity. That means whenever we have 2 times sine of some angle theta times cosine of the same angle theta, this is simply sine of the angle 2 theta. So this is a trig ratio of a multiple angle, which means that we have half multiplied 2. So 2 times sine pi over 8 times cosine pi over 8 will become sine of 2 times pi over 8, and we're going to square this value. So this is going to give us half times sine. So 2 pi over 8 is pi over 4 whole squared. Now, what's the value of sine pi over 4? That's the standard value, so that's 1 over square root of 2. We have to square this value. Now, when you square it, we are going to get the final result, which is 1 over 8. So that means the value of the given trigonometric expression, 1 plus cosine pi over 8 times 1 plus cosine 3 pi over 8 times 1 plus cosine 5 pi over 8 times 1 plus cosine 7 pi over 8, that will be equals to 1 over 8.